Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove a deleted ESIM from your iPhone now. First, confirm your model and iOS version so procedures match. You don't want surprises. Once done, ensure Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity and a recent backup. Make sure you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings, go to Cellular and scroll to the ESIM list. Look for the deleted or inactive ESIM entry. It often shows as a label or grade item. Tap that entry to begin the removal sequence. You'll now perform the detailed deletion. Select the inactive ESIM profile and choose Remove Cellular Plan or Delete ESIM. Confirm when prompted. If that option is missing, toggle airplane mode, fully restart the iPhone and revisit settings. This forces the system to refresh profiles. Once the remove command works, wait for the plan to disappear from the list. If a profile reappears, don't reinstall automatically. Check your carrier's app or QR only after you confirm intent to restore. Finish by verifying the ESIM is gone. Review settings cellular and restart the iPhone to clear caches. Make sure your cellular plans show correctly. If the deleted ESIM still appears or the device shows a carrier lock, gather your MA and contact the carrier for back-end removal. If you hit connectivity oddities, try Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This clears profiles and network caches without erasing data. One tip: only perform full resets after a current backup is secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.